In today's video, we're going to show you how to customize nail forms for problem nails. Problem number 1, why is there a space here? I could not fit the form, and the more I push, the more it hurts. What's the issue?
I have a square nail bed on this nail.
Okay.
So oval, oval, square.
Square meaning it just comes right across.
See the difference?
Yeah.
Straight across here.
Whereas this is rounded.
It rounds. This is really easy to fix.
Okay.
You have your center dot, right?
Yep.
That YN. We're gonna cut straight across the brackets. Now I don't want you to overthink it. We're not gonna get a level out. It's just cut across.
Just cut across. Top of the YN.
Yeah, straight scissors work better, but it
Like
doesn't
that?
matter. Yep,
Okay.
perfect. Then we're going to attach it to the form, but we're gonna create it straight across.
Okay.
See how that just fills in that bottom oval part,
Yep.
or round part?
Like that.
Now I want you to put the form on exact same way as you did the other one.
Okay.
There you go. Go more straight in. There it is. There it is.
Right here?
Yep. Now curve it in.
Oh yeah, the bottom.
Yep. No more gap.
There's no more gap.
Yep. Product's gonna go straight out from the sidewalls, straight out here. It's not gonna fall under here. Now you have a good fit. So the next thing that can happen, the extended hyponychium. Sometimes it's hereditary, sometimes it's from wearing nails long term and they're very long and the skin starts to grow up underneath. So you'll start putting a form on someone and they're like, you know, it hurts. And it's because it's pushing on that skin right there. Yeah, and it starts to kind of grow out with the natural nail. In fact, if I clipped the natural nail too short, I would make myself bleed.
So this is the reverse. We have to cut like a notch.
Got it.
Right?
Yep.
So to give that room for that skin?
Yep. A little
Oh.
V. That's it.
Just like that?
Just like that.
This honestly is the easiest fix. You just cut that little notch for that extended hyponychium.
There you go.
Just like that. So it's kind of just like that first line. I just saw yours. Right up to that kind of that first line, past that first line, sorry.
Just depends how much skin they have.
So this is really cool because that notch I just cut out is now gonna allow the form to attach without hitting the skin and zero pain.
That would be where the extended skin is, right there.
Right there. Yeah, so it
allows it to go around the skin.
to go around the skin. I can go like that. And
Nice.
attach the form like that.
Usually someone that has extended hyponychium, their nail plate would be a little longer, their skin would be attached right there. It's gonna just go right around it. And finally, if somebody has really large fingers, you've gotta customize the forms. Here's exactly how to do it. So I'm gonna take the first form and I'm gonna go about 1 2/3 over from the center line and cut straight up. Again, we're not gonna get a level out. We're not gonna worry about if it's perfectly straight. We'll get rid of the thinner piece. Take the second form and I'm gonna go 1 2 3 over left of that center line. Come straight up. And then we're gonna conjoin the two. And I'm just gonna take it to that center line, this edge, and attach it there. Now we have a larger form, but we run into that issue, right?
Just cut that.
Just get rid of it. And now you have a form that will fit any thumb,
Oh yeah.
right?
Oh yeah, it's huge.
We can break this open, get rid of that, right in there. We'd probably need to do a square version for you. That's okay. It just shows that we're perfectly wide enough for it to even fit yours.
This is like even wider than mine, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Go right up. 2 3. And you just form it to the center line. Right there.
Yep.
There. Take it off. Pop this part off the middle. This part. Oops. There.
Yep.
That's it, right?
That's it.
Wide thumb.
finger. You can see it's way too big for your finger, but more or less that's kind of
the concept.
the concept, right?
Yep.
Subscribe channel now. Subscribe channel now. Subscribe channel